Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Connecting your Samsung TV to an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot can be a smart way to get online when you don't have a regular home connection available, but many users get stuck because the process doesn't always work like a normal Wi-Fi setup. Unlike standard networks, Xfinity hotspots often require a sign-in step through a browser, and since smart TVs have limited browsing capability, this can make things a bit tricky at first. That's why it's important to follow the correct method so your TV connects properly and maintains a stable internet connection. Once everything is set up the right way, you'll be able to stream content smoothly without interruptions. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to connect your Samsung TV to an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot successfully. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung TV and go to the settings menu using the remote. Step 2. Select network and then choose wireless to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Step 3. Select the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot network from the list. Step 4. Open the TV browser and wait for the Xfinity sign-in page to appear. Step 5. Enter your Xfinity account login details and complete the sign-in process. Step 6. Return to the network settings and confirm the TV is connected to the internet.